Welcome back to our channel, Healthy and Fit Hub. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to get a six-pack in just 1 month, all from the comfort of your own home. If you've been dreaming of a toned and sculpted midsection, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming fitness tips and tricks. Let's get started. Achieving a six-pack requires a combination of proper nutrition, cardiovascular exercise, and targeted abdominal workouts. Remember, results may vary from person to person, but by following these steps consistently, you can increase your chances of reaching your goal within 1 month. Number 1. Nutrition. The first step to getting a six-pack is to focus on your nutrition. Proper diet plays a crucial role in revealing your abdominal muscles. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Caloric deficit. To shed the layer of fat covering your abs, you need to create a calorie deficit. Consume fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. A deficit of around 500 calories per day is a good starting point. Balance macros. Pay attention to your macronutrient intake. Include a good balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your diet. Aim for lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or beans. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. It helps to keep your body functioning optimally, aids in digestion, and assists in fat loss. Minimize processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed and sugary foods, as they can contribute to excess fat storage. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Number 2. Cardiovascular exercise. Alongside proper nutrition, incorporating cardiovascular exercises into your routine will help burn calories and reduce overall body fat. Let's take a look at some effective cardio workouts you can do at home. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. They are excellent for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. You can perform exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, or high knees for 20-30 seconds, followed by a 10-15 second rest. Repeat this cycle for 15-20 minutes. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a fantastic cardio exercise that engages your entire body. Start with 1-2-minute intervals and gradually increase your time as you build stamina. Running or jogging. If you have access to outdoor space or a treadmill, incorporate running or jogging into your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to high intensity running 3 to 4 times a week. Number 3. Abdominal workouts. In addition to a good diet and cardio, targeted abdominal exercises are crucial for developing those sought-after six-pack abs. Let's explore some effective workouts. Planks. Planks engage your core muscles, including the rectus abdominis and the transverse abdominis. Start by holding a plank position for 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as you gain strength. Repeat for 3-4 sets. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring your knees up and perform a bicycle pedal motion while simultaneously touching your elbow to the opposite knee. Aim for 15-20 repetitions on each side. Repeat for 3-4 sets. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Hold your hands together in front of your chest and twist your torso to the right, touching the floor with your hands. Return to the center and then twist to the left. Repeat this movement for 15-20 repetitions on each side. Complete 3-4 sets. Leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your hands by your sides. Slowly lift your legs off the ground, keeping them straight until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Lower your legs back down without touching the ground and repeat for 15-20 repetitions. Aim for 3-4 sets. Mountain climbers. Begin in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, mimicking a running motion. Continue alternating for 30-60 seconds. Perform 3-4 sets. Number 4. Consistency and recovery. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your goal of a six-pack within 1 month. Follow these guidelines consistently, adhering to your nutrition plan, performing cardiovascular exercises, and targeting your abdominal muscles with dedicated workouts. Additionally, allow your body enough time to recover and repair itself. Get sufficient sleep each night, as it plays a crucial role in muscle growth and overall well-being. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night. Number 5. Tracking progress. Finally, it's important to track your progress along the way. Take initial measurements of your waistline, weight, and body fat percentage. Check and compare these measurements every week to see how you're progressing. Remember, getting a six-pack requires dedication, discipline, and patience. Results may vary depending on individual factors such as genetics and starting fitness level. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and trust the process. Conclusion? And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to get a six-pack in just 1 month, all from the comfort of your own home. By focusing on proper nutrition, incorporating cardio exercises, and performing targeted abdominal workouts, you're on your way to achieving your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in getting a six-pack too. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.